Hey there everyone, in this video I'll show you how to level an account in League of Legends. This will be the quickest way to level up, and this is basically what I do. So the best ways to level up is basically doing these strategies right over here. So what I recommend is basically doing the co-op versus AI bot games. Just go ahead and try to push lanes efficiently and do max out the game in about 12 to 15 minutes. That optimizes experience per hour without risking penalties or lower minute per yields. Now also play ARA matches, all random, all mid. They offer a high XP per hour ratio, so make sure to play that as well. And make sure to keep playing every day, so log in every 24 hours. You don't actually have to play a lot. You just have to win once on the game, and it'll reward you a high amount of XP. Now, also, if you do have an Xbox Game Pass, make sure to claim Xbox XP boosts and perks. Basically, that is four of those methods that I do. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.